One of the largest healthcare and hospital systems in Pennsylvania has joined the growing ranks of organizations canceling gender-affirming care for transgender youth amid pressure from the Trump administration. UPMC has signaled it will stop providing gender-affirming care to individuals under the age of 19 to comply with directives from the Trump White House. UPMC is fully committed to providing exceptional care for all our patients. We continue to monitor and comply with directives coming from the federal government that affect the ability of our clinicians to provide specific types of care for patients under the age of 19, the hospital said in a statement released to PennLive. We continue to offer necessary behavioral health and other support within the bounds of the law. We empathize with patients and families who are directly affected by these ongoing changes. UPMC's decision comes in the wake of an executive order from President Trump threatening to withhold funding to schools, companies, and healthcare providers that provide gender-affirming care. The scope of the president's policy extends to institutions and schools that provide opportunities for transgender people in the scholastic sports realm. Trump signed an executive order banning transgender females from participating on women's and girls' sports teams at the scholastic level. Some legal experts argue the order is illegal and non-binding. Well, UPMC has about 40 hospitals and 800 doctors' offices, making it a significant healthcare provider and insurer in Pennsylvania. And so Trump, earlier this month, paused $175 million in federal funding to the University of Pennsylvania over its transgender athlete policies. In a social media post, the Trump administration said the Ivy League university's policies are forcing women to compete with men in sports. So now the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services reinforced the president's order, prompting a wave of hospitals and healthcare systems to cancel such care to comply with the orders, especially given what happened to the University of Pennsylvania. UPMC swiftly abandoned their transgender patients and stopped providing said care for their transgender patients. Equally swiftly, protesters from across Pennsylvania gathered in Altoona, Lancaster, Lewisburg, Erie, and Pittsburgh to take issue with UPMC. We turn now to KDKA for more information.